Welcome to Local Mojo New Year's Eve. Back Bay Social Club. Follow me. Let's go across the street. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. We'll be right back, guys. Sorry about that. It was a little loud in there. Now we're going to go across the street to Rochambeau. How are we doing, sir? All good? Good. Heading to Rochambeau for the second event of the evening. Local Mojo, Mojo Boston, New Year's Eve 2025. Heading into 2026. Let's go check out Rochambeau. Everyone calls it Ro. Let's go check out Rochambeau. See how it is. It was crazy when we left. Right across the street. We just came from right there. We're going to go up there. How are you doing, sir? Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. After me. How are we doing? Good, good, good. Doing a little video. I haven't even been up here yet. Apparently there's all sorts of different setups here. Multiple DJs, multiple rooms. It's extremely cool. I mean, what a scene right here.